Okay, kids, it's Christmas party planning time. Who should we invite this year? Should we do a biblical theme? Like everybody dress up like the angels or Joseph and Mary, the shepherds? Or should we do a literary theme where everybody dresses up as their favorite Christmas book character?
Today we're going to show you how we're going to put together a party, a Christmas party that my kids are making. And they're going to design everything, and they're also going to create the staple cookies.
You need something to do? Here, come here, I'll give you something to do. Take these cup measures, convert the fractions into decimals.
Okay, James, you can be a shepherd. Abigail, the angel. Johnny, you don't want to be a sheep this year. You want to be a shepherd? And Violet, you want to be a wise man? Why not? It's 2022.
Let's see, here we go. You know what would be fun? Quadrupling this cookie recipe. No, I'm not gonna make that many. It's just you haven't done a math worksheet in a while and I'm starting to get antsy.
I know, let's do characters from A Christmas Carol. I'll be Jacob Marley.
Didn't leave out some essential ingredients that we have to have. Wheat that we milled a few days ago and froze. It's organic, and I know where it came from. We also have some organic butter. Can't forget the Himalayan salt, the almond milk, the aluminum-free baking powder, and also we need to squeeze some elderberry syrup in there because we gotta keep everybody healthy during the holidays, and a fresh farm egg. It's a white egg colored brown.
Because organic eggs are brown.
Willow, it's not healthy.
Okay.
Are you afraid of it not being organic?
Because fear destroys knowledge.
Can't use John Holt against me, but he just did. So we'll use the freshly painted farm egg.
Oh man, I think we burned it. Okay guys, run upstairs, go get all the candles around my tub, and I'll get the diffuser set up. We'll put some On Guard on. That should mask the smell until tonight, right? We probably should practice some kind of fire drill.
Okay, kids, if we're doubling this recipe and it calls for half a cup of sugar, how much sugar are we going to need? Violet, make sure you decorate each of those cookies like the ghosts of Christmas past, Christmas present, and Christmas to come.
Where's the sugar mom? Are you afraid of that too?
So we'll just get some sugar for the recipe as well.
Yeah.
Ugh, I hate being social. I know I told off Aunt Karen about socialization, but honestly, I would much rather live under a rock with my kids than go out and be with people. You know what? That would make a really good geology unit.
Johnny, I love your Tiny Tim gingerbread man.
Now I would plan on putting the recipe down below, but quite honestly, I don't know what the recipe is going to be because they're going to make it up.
Hey y'all, I'm here. Let's party like it's 384 AD. No? Okay.
Hi, welcome. We're so glad you could come to our Christmas party. Come on in, come on in. Why is your daughter dressed like the Grinch? I thought we said literary characters.
We're going to put it in.
Can we not put it in?
Oh my gosh, you shouldn't have. I love it. John 1:1 in Latin. I love it. I'm so excited for cycle 3, aren't you?
Okay, everybody gather around. We're gonna do our group Christmas story reading. Let's start with The Night Before Christmas.
I think we're gonna go caroling later. I'm so excited. It's a chance to practice our hymn work. No, you'll love this. I'm thinking this year I'm gonna make a gingerbread Parthenon.
In this container, I have a handful of nice, wonderful metal cutouts. Now, I'm going to have them pick out what they want to show off at their Christmas party via cookies. Now, here you go. What are we going to cut this thing out as?
Oh, I'm gonna pencil.
You want to do a pencil?
And then
Because that's what I'm going to be getting them for Christmas.
Here you go, Sparky, Henry said. You'll be needing this. All right, and for a little bit of diversity for our other friends, we have a Hanukkah story, Light the Lights. Here we go, next one.
This eggnog is so good. You use fresh eggs from your chickens? Backyard chickens? Wow. I mean, salmonella, but wow, it's good. You know, we should really host one more co-op party before the end of the year. Maybe we could do a debate.
Okay, that finishes story time. Oh, wait, there's one more. Let's read this one too.
All right, here's the cookies ready to go into the oven.
Okay, now we're gonna have a special recitation of Luke 2. Are you guys ready? Okay, kids.
All right, everybody, let's sing Oh Holy Night. Abigail, you gonna play it in C for us? Okay, great. And then we'll go on a red and green nature walk.
All right, the cookies are done, and there's only one more possible thing left to do.
What could that be?
That would be to put the frosting on these guys. Do you want to put the frosting on these guys?
No.
Oh, you
It's
don't?
too late.
Okay. Well, kids are always right. It's their party. They get to decide. All we have to do is put decorations up for the party. Any ideas?
We could use the popcorn strings to put it up everywhere.
Great idea. Let's do that.
Okay, thank you so much for coming to our Christmas party. Before you go, let's send everybody off with some poetry recitation. Let's all take a verse from The First Noel. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I had a blast making this video with my friends Summer and Leilani. If you liked this video, you're gonna wanna go and watch their videos. We have more videos of Homeschool Moms at Christmas time, and I'm gonna link to their videos in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Ashley, and I'm a homeschool mom of 3. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Go find his joy among the noise.
Yeah, that turned out great right there. So it's supposed to be pencil.